In this video, I'm going to share with you step-by-step guide how to add funny sound effects in your TikTok videos like this one.
God have mercy upon us.
And this one. You're going to do it within your TikTok app. No other editing apps are needed. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to get those funny sound effects from TikTok. Log into your TikTok and then go up on search. Once you go to the search, make sure that you type in funny sound effects and then search for it. Now, after typing in funny sound effects, they are going to bring you several sound effects like this one. And that one. Oh my God! And that one. So go ahead and download those funny sound effects you would like to use in your videos. Now, after uploading the sound effects you would like to add to your videos, you're going to do this. Go ahead and open your TikTok and then press on the plus button where you post your videos from. Now, go ahead and press right here where you get your drafts. And next, choose the video you would like to upload. Make sure that you choose the video you would like to edit. After choosing your video, now this is the video I would like to edit and add some funny sound effects. So go ahead and press right here. Go ahead and press right here on edit, on the edit icon. Now, after pressing on the edit icon, it's going to look like this. Now we are going to edit and add sound effects. Go ahead and press right here on overlay. Make sure that you press right here on overlay. And after pressing on overlay, it will take you to your gallery again. Make sure that you choose that sound effect you would like to add to your video like this one. Effect, go ahead and press on confirm. And after pressing on confirm, what we need is to crop the sound effect to where we want it to stop from. So make sure that you play the sound effect. It may be too long. So I want my sound effect to stop from here. So I'm going to crop it just like this, and I delete this unwanted part like that. After deleting the unwanted part, the next thing we are going to do is to make this sound effect, this video, disappear so that we can only hear the sound. So press on it and move it on the screen until it disappears like that. Next, we are going to add a sound effect to the end of the video. We are going to add a sound effect to the end of the video. So go ahead and play the video so that you see where you want to add another sound effect. For example, right here I want to add another sound effect. So go ahead and press on overlay again, and then choose that sound you would like to add as the second sound effect, and it's right here. And then press on confirm. After pressing on confirm, go ahead and crop this, play the sound effect so that you can hear where you want it to stop from. You can move it to where you want it to start from exactly. And then also move this one, the sound effect you have just added, so that it disappears from the screen. And then your video will be like this one. And then press on next and go ahead and post your video.